When somebody purchases a condominium, many times they're purchasing for one of two different reasons. One is they're either buying down and they want to purchase a home to live in that's smaller than what they currently have. The other time is typically when they're trying to build equity and they want to purchase their first home. When you purchase a condominium, one of the things that you want to look for is how resellable is that condominium going to be. Many times if you're buying down, you want to have a single level on the first story. That's this condominium, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, first story, no stairs. If you're making your first purchase to build equity, you many times want to be close to the pool and to the clubhouse. So I have that for you here too. At 5698A Marcati Circle, this will have everything that you want. I can't wait for you to see it. Let's go take a look. So one of the things that's overlooked very often is the lighting. If you have lighting that is more appropriate for the space, it's going to make a tremendous difference. This condo has got that lighting. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about this property or any other, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. My team and I are always here and happy to help.